Okay, everybody, I think I've cracked it. Yeah, initially it did actually boot up when I turned it on, and it looked very promising, looked like it was working. And then it just, when I tried to use the service buttons, basically it just crashed and then just would come up with fuse 114 and 115 error. So I had a look around the back, got the multimeter out. One of the caps was just leaking everywhere. I don't know if you can see that, focus in there. So cap C2 just was, the traces were gone, so I had to rebuild. There was 2 bodge wires underneath just to get a connection, but yeah, it's stable now. I think originally the reason that this was sold as faulty is when I was trying to start a game, I was pressing start, flipped it up, lo and behold, very simple fix. The start button's hanging off, so the switch isn't being pressed. So, but apart from that, it seems to be fully operational. Let's give it a whirl. I'll just set it to free play. Free play, save. There you go. And then you can do this cool little trick. So if the battery holder doesn't work, if you quickly switch it on and off really quickly, it doesn't have any time to acknowledge it has been turned off, and it'll just save the settings. That's a classic Williams trick. But here you go. All the lights, as you can see. It's just doing this calibration. Once it goes through this, that will say calibration ready. It's just the motor. Give it a second. There you go, basket calibrated successfully. Right, so now we can play a game. Nice. Oh, nice.